What's up guys, it's Mike back from Mike and Curtis, here to do another video. Today, I'm just gonna go through, I just got that GoPro sneaker bag, so I think I'm gonna do a little bit of shots, loading up some accessories. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So we do have like quite a mess of accessories over here. But so we got the bag, so we're gonna start with the GoPros that I use. It'll go right here, and it'll go in this top section right here, which I have the GoPro Hero 7 Silver, just for a little bit of B-roll, because the 4K footage isn't that bad. So I normally carry that. Only thing that sucks is that that one has no removable battery. So then the next one I use is the newer one that I got, which is the GoPro Hero 8, which I really like. Doesn't need that full cage, but these just clip down, so it's easier to use and mount onto things real quick and get out quicker. So yeah, so that'll go for the top two right in here. And then I think the last thing I'm gonna put up top for right now is the little battery. So I got two spare batteries and then the charging kit right there, and that should fit right up here. Yep, so that's kind of what that looks like right there. And then, we do have this little pouch right here that separates into two little things. So I'll probably put SD cards and stuff once I get them, but I got a bunch of cables right now. A bunch of little USB-C cables. I think I got 3 or 4 of them. I think just 3 with me right now. But those will probably go, yeah. That'll go right in here, if I can get through. And then the other side will be, actually probably only fit 2. And then that just goes in like that. And then that's done for the top compartment. Here quickly onto the back, you get that nice big open, or not big open, but like your back compartment where you can put, I think, up to like a 15 or 13 inch laptop right there. And then for what's gonna go up there is my 12.9 inch iPad Pro that I just got, because I love that I can edit and do stuff on there for video. I got the silver 12.9 inch with 256 gigabytes, but then I also got a hard drive. So it's real easy to just take this with me, edit video, and then normally I can pair it with a hotspot to my phone to upload, or when I get home, do that. So that'll just go into this back part right here. I think it's actually meant to go into this little part that closes like that. That's where it says laptop. Of course, we're doing the iPad. So that fits in there just like that, and then it's got a little tab right here that you can close with, and then that's all that's going into the back. So let's go back up front. Front here, they do give you this little pouch right here, and meant for more of like phones and stuff, but for today, just throwing in, I got this little tool from GoPro, which is actually to help loosen and tighten GoPro accessories. And then it's also got a little bottle opener. It was real cheap when I bought it, so I think that's the only thing that's going to go in there today. And then you could also put another cable in right there. That'll go in there for now. And then let's open up the main storage, because the main storage is going to carry, we'll put the chest mount back in. It's one. So you got the chest mount from the bag itself that you can mount onto there. That can fit in there pretty easy. And then it should have 2 other straps, but we're also going to put the head mount right here in there too. Try to fill it up a little bit. So that'll go right there. And once I find the other two little hooks right there, that should fit in there. Just like that. And move some of this stuff over. And then down here, we're going to put some buckles into this little slot, this little pouch, and fit a couple buckles, a hat, and then, let's see, over here, I'll try to fit this, but I'm going to take this part apart, just with the little neat accessory I got with the grab bag. I'll put all that stuff right into this part, about as far as it goes. It's not standing up, this is a little bit difficult to put some of this stuff in. And then we also got the water float grip from GoPro. which I may actually be able to fit in one of these, yeah, and this, and then we got the shorty tripod, which is my favorite accessory so far that came with the GoPro. That'll fit in there like that. We have the little cage right there. We can put that right there, and then in this pocket, you may see, I know it's another coated pocket that goes pretty deep, but I think if I can, I'm gonna fit the chest mount. Don't use the GoPro one right now, it's just an Insignia one that was given to you for free by one of my friends. So I'm gonna throw that in there. That seems to fit just nice. And then, let's see, find a little pouch, close that back up. So then we got this still, and then you got the whole main compartment, which I got another camera, little setup right here, but I keep in another little GoPro bag, even though it's not. But I have the DJI Osmo Pocket with its accessories, and then a couple more up here that I can just fit neatly in there without it going through much. And then that should hopefully fit at the bottom of the bag, yeah. So it fits in down there, which gives me enough room, which I'm not gonna go through this bag because I'm gonna do that in another video, but this is all the iPad accessories I have so far. I'm waiting for the pencil and the Magic Keyboard, and then I'll do a video on the iPad accessories. But it's a little fuel pouch that carries all of my accessories so far, and that can fit in right there. And then I think that sums it about up for the accessories wise. I think maybe I have one more, which I'll be right back. Yeah, we got one more thing that I'm gonna add on that I just got, which is a carabiner up here to the front. Should be able to just throw on. This should open enough to be able to throw one on here. Yeah. You can just fit a little carabiner right here. Hopefully, if you have like a bigger water bottle or something that you want to just carry right there out in front, it's a good place to have right there. But yeah, and then again, if I had a water bottle, which I may, let's see if this one will fit. We put one right there. I got a 26-ounce Yeti here on the bucket, but I guess if I'm walking around, I don't have the bucket with me, I can just throw that in. Matches the bag pretty well. But yeah, so that's the GoPro Seeker bag. Fits all the accessories that I have that I would be bringing to film with. And it still doesn't fit too bad. It doesn't look too bulky. I do like the sleekness. And then if I wanted to, I could carry another water bottle on this side too. But yeah, so I may do a quick little shot of how it looks on my back. And then I think that'll be the rest of this video. Hey, so this is what it looks like on your back when it's fully loaded. And fits pretty well. It's actually not too heavy with it having everything, but the water bottle's not filled up, so I don't know. That'll add a little bit more weight. But yeah, but it feels comfortable. Feels like something I could wear all day, but I guess I'll get to try out more this summer when we actually go and do more stuff, or can do more stuff. But yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.